Hello students of class 8 of Vidya Bhavan High School. Hope you are all doing well. So today in this video we will continue our discussion of the sums from the chapter time and work, that is exercise number 9. Okay. So in the previous video I have discussed the sum number 1 and 2 from time and work, 1 and 3. I hope you have understood the sum, that is the concepts, how do we solve the sums from time and work. These sums are bit different from the usual sums, right? So these sums are very conceptual, so we need to solve them conceptually. So in this video we will solve the sum number 5. Now the sum number 5 is a bit tricky, easy one but a bit tricky. Now if you can catch the trick, the sum is very easy to solve. Okay, so I am reading it aloud, so please listen carefully. 8 men or 12 boys can finish a work in 100 days. In how many days will 24 men and 12 boys finish the work? Okay, so the trick lies where the trick lies. The trick lies in the word 8 men or 12 boys. Okay, what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is work done by 8 men is equals to the work done by 12 men. Okay, therefore we can write that work done by 1 man will be equals to 12 by 8 work done by the boys. Okay, or we can write like this: work done by 12. This is boys. Okay, this is boys. So 12 by 8 boys. Okay, we will not cancel it here, we will keep like this. Now in the sum it has been said what is the number of days required for 12 men and 24 men and 12 boys to complete the work. So let's find out the work done by 24 men and 12 boys first. Okay, so we can write like this. Work of 24 men and 12 boys. We have converted the men into boys. Okay, so we can write like this: 24 men is how much? 24 into 1 man is how much? This 12 by, we are converting it into boys. Okay, boys plus we all have 12 boys already, right? So if I cancel this out, this will be 36 boys plus 12. This is boys. Okay, 36 boys plus 12 boys is equals to 48 boys. Okay, so we are done with the conversion. So what we have done, we have initially find out the work done of 8 men is equals to, we have equate, that is the meaning of this thing is work done of 8 men is equals to work done by 12 boys. Then we have converted the work done of 1 man in terms of boys. Then we have 12 men here, so if the work of 1 man is equals to the work done of 12 boys, so we have converted 24 into 12 by 8, that is we have converted the men into the work of the boys, that is 24 men is equals to, we can say, 36 boys. Okay, and this is already 12 given, so we have added them up. Now see, it is very easier for you to solve the sum. Now what will we do? I am rubbing the first portion. Okay, so now we will consider let the number of days required to complete the work by 24 men and 12 boys, in bracket we will write 48 boys, be x. Okay, in this fashion. Then again we need to write in the fashion of time and work, like in the previous sum, the way we have write the number of boys, and here is number of days. Okay, so initially 12 boys can, if you see the sum, it's given that 8 men or 12 boys can 8 boys or 12 men can finish the work in 100 days. So as we have converted all of the thing into boys, we will keep this in boys, 12 boys, and how many boys there? 48 boys. Okay, and this is x. Now this is number of boys and this is number of days, so number of persons, and this is the span of time. And what is the relation between number of boys and now span of time, or number of person and span of time? It is inverse relation. It is inverse relation, right? Inverse relation. So how will we write this thing as it is, that is 12 by 48 equals to this thing, we will write the reciprocal of this, that is x by 100. Now if I solve this, 12 into 100 by 48 equals to x. If I cancel this, it for 12 we will get 4, and 4 we will get 25. So x is 25 days. Okay, x is 25 days. So you can write the answer as the number of days. Okay, I am writing the answer. Hope this much is clear to you, all of you. Okay, so the answer will be the 20. Okay, right, 25 days are required to complete the work by 24 men and 12 boys. Here you not need to write 48 boys, because we already know that 12 men and 24 men and 12 boys is equals to 48 boys. Okay, because in the question it has been asked how many days are required for 24 men and 12 boys, so we will write in this fashion only. Okay, so I hope this sum is clear to you. Okay, so this much for this video. Thank you.